That bright red light blinking on your social media feed isn't a signal for help, it's a marketing machine designed to hunt for your insecurities. You see the ads constantly. A sleek belt wrapped around a flat stomach. The promise is simple. Just wear this device and watch the fat melt away without lifting a single weight. It sounds like a miracle, doesn't it? But before you drop $500 on a glowing piece of fabric, we need to talk about the distance between clinical science and viral marketing. Red light therapy is a real thing. Scientists call it photobiomodulation. It uses specific wavelengths to stimulate cellular energy. NASA studied it for plant growth and astronaut healing. Dermatologists use it for collagen production. It can help with skin texture. It might even speed up muscle recovery after a hard workout. However, there is a massive difference between a medical-grade laser and a consumer-grade LED belt sold through a social media pop-up. The company behind this particular device is making some incredibly bold claims. They want you to believe that light alone can replace a calorie deficit. They want you to believe that stubborn midsection fat will just vanish. That is just not how human biology works. If it were that easy, every gym in the world would be replaced by red light rooms. When you start digging into the actual user experiences, the picture gets messy. Some people do report that their skin feels a bit firmer after months of daily use. That makes sense because red light can help with surface-level skin issues. But the fat loss stories are much harder to verify. Then you have the dark side of the business model. This is where things get truly frustrating for the average person. Many customers report that the checkout process is a minefield. You think you are buying a one-time product. Then you realize you have been signed up for a recurring subscription for expensive creams or add-ons. Your credit card gets hit month after month. Getting a refund becomes a part-time job. You spend hours on hold. You send emails that never get answered. This isn't necessarily a scam in a legal sense, but it is definitely a trap for the unwary. The marketing relies on your desire for a quick fix. It targets your frustration with slow progress. It plays on the idea that technology has finally bypassed the need for effort. Always remember that if a product claims to do the work for you, it is probably just doing work on your wallet. Look at the fine print. Read the terms of service before you click that big shiny button. Don't let a well-edited video talk you out of your common sense. If you want better skin, maybe a light device is worth the risk. But if you are looking for a six-pack without the sweat, you are going to be disappointed. These companies thrive on the impulse buy. They want you to feel the urgency. They want you to fear missing out on the latest breakthrough. Take a breath. Do your research. Real results do not usually come in a box with a charging cable. Be skeptical of the hype and protect your hard-earned money from the glow of empty promises. It is your health and your bank account on the line. Make sure you are the one in control, not the algorithm.